So I am going to show you how you can easily remove the background of a photo using AI tool, and this is the fastest way you can do this. So you go to your browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. I even have the AI tool here in my shortcuts, but you can search for photo room. You type photoroom.com, click enter. So this is the interface when you're using your computer. So you just click on this start creating for free button. So it is opening the other interface. So here you can start from a photo. You can either drag and drop your image anywhere on this page, or you can click on this select a photo button. It will take you to your folders on the PC so that you can pick the photo you want. So I am going to click on this. Here now we go to the desktop. So I'm going to pick one of my photos, and then you press open. So it will open the photo here. You wait as it loads. So the image is here. And the quickest way you can do is you click on background, and then you come to remove background. When you click on this, the background is gone. You can see here how fast this can be. So you can just come to this part here that shows download. You click on it, then you can put if you want to buy, you say HD without logo, so it will remove this logo here. But if you are using it for free, as I'm doing, you click on preview with the logo. You can rename the file the way you want, or you can still leave this file name. So you click on download. When you click on download, it will ask you where you want this, where you want to save this. So for me, I'm saving it on the desktop. Then I'll click OK, save. So it is ready. The image is here ready, and if you open it, you see it has no background. So that is how you can easily remove the background of an image. So you can close this. So the image is here loading. My PC is a little bit slower, so the image is here. It has no background. See, that is how fast you can remove the background of your PC. I mean your image. Thank you, and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to Lulu TV Tech for more of such videos. We do create videos that will help you do something pretty fast. And you can also subscribe to Lulu TV, the mother channel to this as well. Thank you so much.